Hi, I'm Patches. This is Yoska and Esmeralda. Thank you to our patrons on patreon.com/Blue Road. We are going to give you a tour of TicTac, our teardrop trailer home. So this is pretty much it. Half is for storage and half is for me, or a little over half is for us to live in. So what we did was we took out the cupboards and the back shelf because I was tired of hitting my knees and the shelf kept breaking. So we made one little shelf that goes all the way around, and I can store some things over on this side. And then this side, it has all of these little crates I got that each have things. There's a row on the top, and then there's 2 rows underneath that carry little things, mainly for the dog and the chicken, but some little things for me. Those containers are food. I try to keep a couple weeks of food with me at a time, and then just some odd and end things, my dirty laundry or whatever sits over there. And then we also put up a shelf on the top. It helps with the structure of TicTac, but also gives me a place to put odd and end things. And I hang my iPad there and can watch movies and whatever I want, which is really nice. So we have the electrical panel over there, and then this one's just empty and it holds the sockets that I don't use anymore because I rarely use the house battery. Here are a few pictures of TicTac setup and from the inside. For any questions or comments, you can go to patreon.com/Blue Road. Thank you for your support. Follow the adventure. Become a patron. Patreon.com/Blue Road.